Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and, oh my god, we already got a funnel, only for, I don't know what to say, but we are gonna be chasing in the 2008 TIV, and, next video, I'm not gonna tell you, monkeys. Oh yeah, what is it called again? Oh yeah, reporting, oh yeah, already did. I gotta keep going more east. You know, this is a good way to go. Alright guys. This is literally perfect. So, what we gotta do, let's going up so it can get lighter. Yeah, tweet sounds once, yes, it happened. Alright, yeah, someone report a funnel. Oh yeah, you monkeys be moving so good with that. Oh yeah. So see, look, it's gonna drop down like thicker. You see right here. I'm gonna go to TVS like in the previous video. So because I'm very low on brain cells, and so I can't really remember anything because I don't even know why anymore. Yeah. Let me clip some probes onto me. Well, Twisted Tower, 2008. I don't mean to do that. Where is it? Oh, there's that little monkey. So I guess we could kind of like turn all the way over here. Because I don't want to get swept away in that little monkey storm. Oh yeah, hold my editor Sam, please edit my hairy ball holes into the video, please. Anyways. Oh my god. Why are there red lights in the van? Speed something or something. Anyways, my editing skills, I totally hired someone. Yeah, they're not mine. I do way better editing skills than them. Yeah.
Locations impacted include Elma.
Oh yeah, look at me, I'm ranked in the server. Zero intercepts. Oh, you need like 5 intercepts to be a professional Sigma chaser. Yeah, just like me, guys. That's what you want to become. You want to become
if no shelter is available.
Totally famous. Yeah, a very famous YouTuber that has 28 subscribers. Oh my god, look at that wedge. Let me report it real quick. I think that's a sidewinder. Wait, do I go inside the tornado? Oh yeah, I'm just gonna follow this guy, because why not? I'm one of those people that just follow random kids. Oh my god, look at that sidewinder. I know what I'm doing, guys. Stop it. It's bullying and harassment. Yeah, look, I'm faster than you, nerd.
Yeah.
This guy has like 11 intercepts. That's what I need to get to. Let me switch to news team because that kind of matches, you know. Get out! I'm not a star chaser. I'm a news developer. Anyways, I guess I'm just gonna go inside of here for no reason at all. Oh wait, let me position to where this guy is, because why not? Oh yeah, this is perfect. Hey! Oh, of course. You know what? I'm done with this TIV-2. 150. You know, let's make this better. I'm spawning in regular version. Yeah. Oh my god, there's a car. Oh my god, what is that in the distance? What is that? Oh my god, there's a jet crashing. Why is there a jet crashing right here? Oh my god, oh my god. You know what to do, Sam. Edit it. Please, I'm very low on views. Oh, did I at least get an intercept from that? I quit this game. Yeah. This may be the last video, guys. I'm super sorry, but I have to jump out my window now so I can escape. Guys, y'all should totally subscribe because I'm a segment. Why is my blinker still on? Monkey. Oh my god, is that a wedge? Orange. At least 100. Is it gonna go? Is it gonna go? Red. Oh my god. That's a massive sidewinder. Oh my god, guys. Totally did not report a sidewinder. Oh my god, guys. That's literally the best report I've done in my life before. We could usually just go over here, get a north path. People who take that path is crazy. So, what we're really gonna do is gonna lift. That's not good if it does. We're gonna go over to here. We're gonna take this path. Never mind. We're gonna take this path. Go that way. All right. Sounds like a good plan, guys. Like literally the best plan before it even dies out. You don't want. Like, man, I'm hallucinating. Oh my god, guys. Someone edit a car crash scene. Do I really have to drive across here? No, I do not. Why is this guy screaming, oh? It's like not even a pink TVS. See, it's so red, guys. Like, I'm so smart. I'm literally ready for this dream job. Oh, why are my lights on? Alright, I have the best driving ever. If you please edit me crashing into a Robloxian, that'd be super great, please. Look at that hellhole. Seems like it's weakening for a second. So, my plan is gonna go, we could stop right here, because that's a good stopping point right there. And It's orange now, probably gonna go to pink or something.
Wadena County in north central Keysota. Cherokee County in north central Keysota.
It's
Doppler
base.
radar indicated a tornado on the ground near. Doppler radar showed this tornado moving east at 60 miles per hour. Locations impacted.
Yeah, guys.
Pile up. Cherokee Village. Hide this tornado, making it extremely difficult to see. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado.
Look,
Take cover now.
it's up,
Take
nerd.
cover now. The lowest floor of a
Oh my god, guys, we're in the direct path. Should we stay right here? Is it rain wrapped? We're not in direct path. We are in the warning zone. I literally did not get a single warning. So, sorry. Banners. Alright, this looks good. Never mind, it does not look good. So, northeast. It's going directly towards us. Why, over there, it's probably gonna be right over there. Look at this, northeast. See? Halfway. Alright, this is good. Crossing intersection right here. Perfect! You know, I can't really risk, like, anything like a plane crashing right here. I know. This is gonna be the last intercept until the video ends. Oh my god, I'm digging in my butt right now. Let's check base velocity. Okay, that's good. No black spots. Why? That's not good. I'm gonna close off chat because my friend just joined and he's a big yapper.
The National Weather Service in Hazelton has issued a tornado warning for
Oh yeah.
Wadena County in north central Keysota. Cherokee County in north central Keysota. Doppler radar indicated a tornado on the ground near.
And
Doppler radar showed this tornado moving east at 50 miles per hour. Locations impacted.
please give me a core intercept. Bro, stop turning.
Heavy rainfall may cause this tornado, making it extremely difficult to see. Do not wait to see what you
Why did I have to miss? Wait, it's not wrong. Why did I just deploy for a yellow? That's the most nerdiest thing I've ever done. Brain rotted platoons. Oh my god, at least I have to get an intercept for this video. But if not, someone threatened me. That's right. Oh yeah, core intercept, guys. I'm literally seeking this out for this Sigma. Let's deploy first. Drop down. Let's not drop down. Bro! I intercepted that. What the freak? So I can't, like... I quit, guys. You know what? This game is dookie. Shuglu.